for people in the audience who aren't familiar with influencer, what do you do? What's the elevator pitch?
So very simply put, we are trying to basically humanize brands using creators. So at influencer.com, we do everything from an influencer marketing perspective, from the strategy to the execution, which involves like finding creators, contracting creators, to the measurement of understanding how successful an influencer marketing campaign is.
Yeah, and I started making YouTube videos in 2010. There were about 10 people doing this professionally. And now
10?
About 10 professional creators making a living.
That sounds crazy.
It's insane. And 14 years later, it's weird being an OG at the age of 29. But we now, we have tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people doing this for a living, and millions at least doing it part-time or part of the ecosystem. And some of the top creators are literally billionaires at this stage, which it just blows my mind. And I'm sure a lot of you have either watched YouTube or have family members who are obsessed with YouTube, but to see how far it's come and being a part of that creator economy has been incredible for us.
Yeah. Hey, and this is maybe a bit of a simple question, but why would a brand choose to work with an influencer as opposed to thinking, I could just do this myself, I'll get my creators and I'll just get going?
Yeah, I think from our perspective, we've been doing this now for 7-8 years, where we've built up a lot of global scale. We've got offices in London, we've got offices in New York, LA. We are investing heavily within the MENA region, within Saudi. And I suppose why people would come to us is because of our expertise. It's because of our relationships with the platforms. It's because we know how to deliver on these campaigns, and we've done it really successfully for large-scale clients. Over in the US, we've worked with Procter & Gamble on campaigns for a multitude of their brands. Over here in the region, we've been working with Saudi Tourism Authority since 2019, helping to support the e-visa and promotion of that. So we've got that vast experience. So we've done the test and learn over the years, so our clients don't have to. So we can help deliver that ROI.
And I think